Don't allow someone to treat you poorly because you love them. They don't value you the same way you value them, especially when you show your partner you are much in love with her, you are much in love with him. Other people, they can take it for granted, starting abusing you in relationship, or maybe they can show you like you are desperate, you don't have anyone, or you can't find another person you are in a relationship. So other people, they can start embarrassing you. Imagine your partner is always embarrassing you in front of his friends, in front of your friends. So sometimes don't show that person you are much in love with that person, because other people, they don't deserve to be loved. They can take it for granted, or maybe to show you like you are desperate, or to tell your partner that I can't live without you. Since you told your partner you can't live without her, you can't live without him, your partner saw you like you are desperate. Without him, you don't live. So sometimes you have to move on. Sometimes don't allow someone to treat you poorly because you are much in love with that person. The way your partner is treating you, always embarrassing you every time, you have to move on, or maybe don't show that person you are much in love with that person.